How does humanity apply in international humanitarian law? Humanity is at the heart of international humanitarian law, often referred to as IHL. This principle guides how we treat individuals during armed conflicts. It emphasizes the need to protect those who are not fighting, such as civilians, the wounded, and prisoners of war. The goal is to ensure everyone is treated with dignity and respect, regardless of their situation. The principle of humanity is clearly outlined in the Geneva Conventions, which are the main treaties of IHL. For instance, Common Article 3 of these conventions strictly prohibits violence against individuals who are out of combat. This includes those who are injured, have surrendered, or have been captured. It mandates that these individuals must be protected and treated humanely. In practical terms, this means that civilians should never be targeted in conflicts. Attacks must only focus on legitimate military objectives. If someone surrenders or is incapacitated, they must be spared from further harm and treated with kindness. This is essential for maintaining human dignity during war. Captured combatants and civilians in detention also have rights. They should be safeguarded from violence and provided with basic necessities. This includes the right to communicate with their families and access relief supplies. Medical personnel and facilities must be respected and allowed to operate freely, marked by recognized symbols like the Red Cross. Humanity in IHL also balances military needs with humanitarian protection. While military actions may require the use of force, it should not lead to unnecessary suffering or excessive harm to civilians. This balance is reflected in related principles, such as distinction, which means differentiating between combatants and civilians, and proportionality, which aims to avoid excessive civilian harm in relation to military advantage. Moreover, parties involved in conflicts must avoid using weapons or tactics that cause unnecessary suffering. This commitment to humanity is vital for limiting the horrors of war. It ensures that even in the midst of conflict, the rights and dignity of individuals are upheld. In summary, the application of humanity in international humanitarian law serves to protect vulnerable populations and minimize suffering during armed conflicts. It reflects a legal and ethical commitment to uphold human dignity, even in the most challenging circumstances.